Morning everyone, it's now the day after, it's all up, hooray. Slight issue, this side over here, right, hang on, let me just turn around the camera. This side over here, you can see I can get to the other side of there and get my hand in, whoop, to get them bolts done up. Now, I can't do that over here, can I? There's a bloody great bit of wood in the way and a wall. So now I'm going to have to cut a little slot, or just a hole in that bit of stud right there. Just big enough for me to get a bolt through on a spanner and try and fit that before I put my floor joist through. So that's the plan for today. We're going to cut a hole in there, dig that out, then work out the stairs, exactly where my trimmers are going to come, wherever they might be. It's going to be over here somewhere. You've got to have 2 meters when you come on and off the stairs, so we've got to work all that out. And then maybe I'll get these floor plates up and hangers on and, you know, so on and so forth. First job, cut that hole. And he's off. Yeah. Not gonna fly, he's a stupid bird, but either way.